Hello students, today we'll be solving question number 14 from the CAT 2018 slot 2 question paper. So this question, it has been said that 20% ethanol solution is mixed with another ethanol solution, say S, of unknown concentration in the proportion 1:3 by volume. Now this mixture is then mixed with an equal volume of 20% ethanol solution. The resultant mixture in that case is a 31.25% ethanol solution. Then the unknown concentration of S is, we need to find out that concentration. Now it has been said, the question is that we had initially a 20% ethanol solution, and this ethanol solution was mixed with another ethanol solution whose concentration, the ethanol solution, we can say it is S, and that ethanol solution concentration was unknown. Okay, that concentration we are not knowing, and the proportion in which these two solutions was mixed was in the ratio of 1:3 by volume. So we got that mixture and we got the solution. Now this mixed solution was then again mixed with equal volume of 20% ethanol solution. So when this mixed solution was mixed with a 20% ethanol solution, the resultant mixture that we got was a 31.25% ethanol solution. And now we need to find out the concentration of, unknown concentration of the solution S. So this is what we need to do. So let us insert a page over here and then proceed with the question. So what we'll have to do over here is that we'll take, let the strength of solution S be small s. Okay, and it was said that if the 20% ethanol solution was mixed with this solution in the ratio of 1:3 by volume, then we got a solution. Let us take let the strength of solution mix 1 be P. Okay, now this P is basically equal to 20% means 0.2 of the first solution plus 3 into S divided by 1 plus 3. It will be basically 1 into 0.2. Then the process is correct. So this is basically equal to 0.2 plus thrice S by 4. So this is the strength of the solution mix 1. Now this solution mix 1 is again mixed with the 20% ethanol solution in equal volume in that case, and the resultant solution we got is a 31.25% ethanol solution. So this gives us that strength of solution mix 2 is basically P plus 0.2, basically 1 into P plus 0.2 into 1 divided by 1.1 plus 1, and this was equal to 31.25 divided by 100, basically 31.25%. So this is equal to P plus 0.2 by 2, and this is equal to 31.25, and this is equal to 100. Okay, so now this P we can write it down as 0.2 plus thrice S by 4 plus 0.2 by 2 is equal to 0.3125. Okay, and this ultimately comes down to 1 plus thrice S divided by 8 is equal to 0.3125. So this gives us that 1 plus thrice S is equal to 2.5, and this gives us that thrice S is equal to 1.5, and this ultimately gives us that S is equal to 0.5. So the strength of the solution S is basically 50% ethanol solution, and this is the correct answer of question number 14. Now let's move on to the next question, which is question number 15. This question number 15, it has been said that if p cube is equal to q to the power 4 and that is equal to r to the power 5 and this is equal to s to the power 6, in that case we need to find out the value of log of pqr to the base s. The options are 16 by 5, 47 by 10, 24 by 5 and 1. So we have been given that p cube is equal to q to the power 4 is equal to r to the power 5 and this is equal to s to the power 6. So this gives us that p is equal to s to the power 6 1 by 3 and this is equal to s square. Q will be equal to s to the power 6 and 1 by 4, so this will be equal to s to the power 3 by 2, and r will be equal to s to the power 6 by 5. So therefore pqr is basically equal to s square into s to the power 3 by 2 into s to the power 6 by 5, and this is equal to s to the power, so if we add it up, 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 6 by 5. So if you take the LCM, this will be 10. So 20 plus 15 plus 12. So this will be 32 plus 15, which will be 47 by 10. So this is equal to s to the power 47 by 10. So if we now take the log of pqr to the base s, so this will be equal to 47 by 10, which is given by option 2 over here. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 16. So in this question number 16, it has been said that on a long stretch of east-west road A and B are 2 points such that B is 350 km west of A. Now one car starts from A and another from B at the same time. Now if they move towards each other, then they meet after 1 hour. And if they move towards each other, then they meet in 7 hours. So the difference between their speeds in kilometer per hour is thereby given by, so what we'll try to do is, this is the road, this is the east point and this is the west point. And we have one point A over here and we have one point B over here, and the distance between these 2 points is basically equal to 350 kilometer. Now if there are one car starts from A and another car starts from B, so the let velocity of these 2 cars be equal to VA and VB. Now it has been said that if VA and VB move towards each other at the same time, then they meet after 1 hour. So if VA and VB move towards each other, then they meet after 1 hour. But if VA also goes towards east and VB is also going towards east, in that case they meet after 7 hours. So we can therefore basically say that VB must be having a speed greater than the speed of the car starting from A. This is always normal, otherwise they could not have caught up. So therefore that means that VB, if we employ this concept of relative speed, so VB minus VB into the time taken for travel, which will be 7 hours, will be equal to the distance which they ultimately make it come down to 0, initial distance between them. So this will be given by, so the difference between their speeds, which is given by BV minus BA, will be equal to 350 by 7, which is 50 km per hour. So this is the answer that we are looking for.